Hello again everybody, welcome to another paper airplane tutorial. Today I am going to teach you how to make a very simple paper airplane. The planes now, let me show you guys how to fold a paper airplane so you can test it by yourself and tell me how it's fly in the comment section. First of all, you need a piece of US letter size paper. You can use A4 paper. Basically, you need a piece of regular printing paper to fold the airplane. Now, let's fold the paper in half. Unfold the paper. On the following step, start from this corner and fold straight to the center crease, and then you adjust it until this edge matches to the corner. So just adjust it a little bit until you make it match to the corner, and then you can press the paper down. The following step is quite simple. Just match this corner to this corner of the paper. Also, you make a line straight to the other corner of the paper. So let's do it like this first. Hold the paper and then adjust it a little bit until it's crossed this corner, and press down the paper. Alright, and now repeat the same fold for both edges. Let's start from this edge, match it to this edge, and same thing here, this edge to this edge. Now let's do it. And press down the paper. Same thing here. Alright, so it's look very good for now. On the following step, let's start from this edge, fold it to the other edge. Let me turn the paper this way and I'll fold it. I'll show you how to fold it. Use the center crease as your preference and just fold. The whole point is to create a crease right here. You do not need to fold too hard. Just make a crease. And then unfold the paper. Now we have a crease right here. Let's match this edge to this crease. Alright. So this is what it should have for now. And then we have that crease there. Let me press down the paper. Press it down a little bit more. On the following step, we can fold the whole part on the top here down because we have a crease here already. So fold it down. Next step, let's fold the paper in half. Let's turn the paper over and fold it in half. Now the plan looks very simple, but it's fly very far. And now let's match this edge to this edge, and repeat the same fold for the other side. Let's turn the paper over and repeat the same fold. See how simple this plan is. And here you go. This is the new paper airplane. We will make sure that the plane will fly up instead of going down. So flatten the wings and curve the end of the wings up just a little bit. And finally, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.